While editing, I noticed that this edit looked boring and flat. Good thing my dog taught me these few tricks. I went to the second clip and I added 2 keyframes from start and end. Then I zoomed in on last key. I then added flow 2 graph. Then I did the same process on the next 2 clips. Then on the 4th clip, I zoomed in on the first key. Then the graphs will remain the same. I did the same process on the next clips by zooming in on the first key. I went to the first clip and I added 2 keyframes at end. Then I zoomed in on last key. I then added cubic and graph. I went to animation and I added fade out. And I set the duration at 1 second. I then added this overlay which will show at end. I trimmed it to 0.3 seconds and I went to splice and I choose filter and I set the opacity to 50%. I went to filter and I added negative to the overlay. Then I went to animation and I added fade out. I then copied the overlay and I put it to all clips. Then I went back to the animation and I added again the fade out and I set the duration to 0.3 seconds. Then I put it to all clips. Now let's see the results. Save this overlay.